Hey, today I will show you how to download and install STREMIO to your Amazon Firestick or any Android TV. So first of all, we need an app called Downloader. To get it, we first go to search on our device. Here in the search bar, we type Downloader. And as you can see, it already popped out here at the bottom. If it didn't in your case, then just type in the whole name of the application, which is Downloader. Here's the app we need, just download it to your device, and after that we gotta go to settings. You can do it by pressing on that gear in the right side of your screen, or by holding the home button on your remote for a couple of seconds. So let's hold the home button, press on settings here, go to My Fire TV, and here as you can see I already have the developer options, which is needed to install other apps from the internet. But if you don't see it yet, then firstly we go to About, select Fire TV Stick and press on your middle button on the remote for 7 times. Now at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer in my case. In your case it will say that you have become a developer now, and if we go back a bit, we will finally see the developer options. So click on them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging, then go to Install Unknown Apps. And here we need to enable that option for Downloader. So what it does, it allows your Downloader app to install any other application from the internet, which is not available by default on the original Amazon App Store, or in Google Store if you're using not a Fire Stick but a regular Android TV box, or Android TV, or Android TV Stick, or whatever. After that, we finally can go and start using Downloader, so click on the application. Here, in that bar, we gotta type stremio.com, and here we go. And now the official website of stremio.com has opened, so we need to press on that hamburger button here on the left side of the screen, then go to Downloads, and now we scroll down. So don't get the mobile version because it's not going to look too well on your Fire TV or Android TV. Instead, scroll down a bit more. And here's the Android TV version. So there are a couple of different ones. Let's just download the 1.5.7. Now the download has started. Usually it doesn't take too long, but of course it all depends on your internet connection speed. Now press on the install button in the right bottom corner, and now the installation process has started. And now before clicking on open, instead press on done. And this way you will be able to delete the installation file because you don't need it anymore, but it clogs the memory of your Fire TV Stick, so always delete the installation files, as you don't really need them after the app is installed. Then let's go back to the home screen, to the list of your applications. And here's the STREMIO app which we just downloaded. And here you can just scan your QR code to log into STREMIO account. I hope the video was helpful, and here are 2 more useful videos on the screen which you can check out.